Welcome to Miller Welding and Machine Company. We hope that you give serious consideration to working with us and building a great career in today's world of high-tech manufacturing. So, what's it like working at Miller Welding and Machine? Well, first you're going to discover a company that will help you be the very best that you can be. You'll receive extensive training opportunities that will help you gain confidence in your abilities and will lead to both personal and professional growth. Throughout your employment with us, you'll receive continual training so you know how to use the most up-to-date equipment available in our industry. Second, you'll find a family-focused company. Not only does the Miller family take a hands-on approach to running the company, a number of our employees span 2 and sometimes 3 generations.
My brother works here and my boy just started part-time. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my dad. My dad's an old railroader. He started here in the 70s. He got me and my brother involved in this. I would recommend it to anybody that doesn't mind working with their hands, is fascinated with how equipment works.
The fact that mothers, fathers, brothers, and sisters all recommend this company to their relatives says that our employees enjoy working here, and the resulting environment reflects that. If you are looking for a career with a growing company, enjoy a challenge, and are willing and ready to learn, we look forward to reviewing your application.
Probably 90% of our welding is manual welding. Now, our robotic welding or automated welding is going to keep increasing, but it will never replace manual welding. It's going to supplement it and increase it, but it'll never replace it.
Today's machine and welding industry is still very dependent on the traditional manual trades. But with the advances being made in technologies such as robotics, lasers, and the like, companies on the cutting edge such as Miller Welding and Machine have been able to provide even more opportunity to both our employees and our clients.
This machine is a laser cutting machine, and it's cutting steel plate with a laser beam.
Oh, it's endless. These machines are computer operated. There is just repairs of the machines themselves. Yeah. There is all types of support systems, building fixtures, programming.
Yeah, this is a ferro arm. It's a coordinate measure machine. This version here, I can take the arm to the part rather than bringing the part to the machine. Its accuracy within 12-foot range in each direction of center is plus or minus 2 thousandths, which is way over what we were capable of before.
There's just an endless variety of things, and that's what's constantly changing, because you're always striving to do things better, faster, and supply your customer with a product that is a better quality at a better price.
Our investment in technology is an investment in our future, and should you come to work for us, you'll see the rewards from our investment in your future as well.
We send our people to robotic welding school at the factory where they make them, to school to learn how to run them. Sometimes I hear that, well, people are worried about it's going to take their jobs. Well, let me tell you, it creates jobs, it does not take jobs.
There's opportunities here now that really didn't even exist 30 years ago. So, you know, it's a never-ending change, because we didn't even have CNC machines when I started, so this job didn't even exist. Right. But 30 years later, here we are, and we need them.
First off, all the parts that we weld with our robot, somebody had to cut the material and machine the material and tack weld the material together. And almost all of our job, the robot, if we can get it to do 80 or 90% of the welding, that's pretty good, but somebody has to finish it off. So now I'm doing more and more parts with the robot. It makes more and more other jobs, let alone the material preparation part of the job.
There are currently approximately 66 different job descriptions here at Miller Welding and Machine, and the list is growing all the time. Career opportunities range from accounting and engineering positions to janitorial and maintenance staff to robotic technology operators and material handlers. Even if an individual doesn't have experience in a certain field, but they show the willingness to learn, have a good work ethic, and a positive attitude, we're willing to teach and train these individuals and invest in their future.
If somebody has some aptitude and the right attitude, we can train anybody to do what needs to be done.
Since we're a growing company, many of our employees are relatively new. We've added over 100 people in 2006 alone and another 100 in 2007. Once someone is hired, we work hard to create an environment that fosters our employees' personal and professional growth.
There's no question that anybody that is able to adapt to changing circumstances is going to be more successful.
But even going through a tool change, all you do is just rotate your tool and keep on cutting.
Well, see, that's one thing.
Being adaptable is what has allowed us to succeed and to grow. And it's the same way with individual employees.
Regardless of their previous education, anyone showing the desire and willingness to learn is offered training opportunities at Miller Welding and Machine Company.
We've had a number of people that have come out of different technical fields, everything from auto body to building trades, that are now working in the metalworking industry and are succeeding.
Forging a highly trained workforce takes both time and money. Every year we spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on training opportunities for our family of employees. At Miller Welding and Machine Company, we are willing to make that kind of investment because our proper training enhances our employees' job satisfaction, and that translates into a more productive and rewarding workplace and overall career experience.
It's a new machine. It's a multi-function machine. Has turning capability on one side, turning capability on the other. In the center is a multiple axis milling head that will allow us to turn, drill, and mill. The part can actually be passed off from one chuck to the other so that we can do both sides of the part at the same time in the same setting. And right now we're being trained on how to operate it.
Today we're moving into robotics. We have robotic welders working within the organization. We've got lasers cutting material, we've got high-tech paint lines, we've got a lot of technology.
We use wireless technology in a lot of ways here. So all your prints, all of your setup sheets, instructions, and even machine programs, the machines themselves are all driven wirelessly, and that's for a couple reasons. First is to be very, very quick, it's very efficient. Another reason is we can control the content much better. Also, it allows us to move machinery around and can reconfigure our shop without having to worry about rewiring pieces of equipment and things of that nature. We also use it in inventory control, moving parts from one bin to another.
What we're doing here is she's receiving in this pallet of parts by using a wireless handheld scanner. She's scanning the barcode that the vendor gave us and receiving those parts right into our inventory real time. That was perfect.
It cuts out extra time from writing it down, going in the office, putting it in the computer. Now all I got to do is just scan it, hit a couple buttons, and print.
In essence, the whole bottom line is by being more efficient and streamlining, we can produce more and make more parts for our customers, which at the end of the day is what we need to do.
It takes smart people to manage it all and to operate it all.
When we buy these machines, Mazak offered a training course that came with the machine. Then we have sent people to the Mazak school to learn to run these. Now we have people in-house that are qualified to run these, and we get new people in. We have them do a mentor program and train them to run these in-house. We do the training.
Your first 60 days of employment with us will include a combination of classroom and hands-on training. And at the end of this period, you are expected to be 95% competent in the skills and competencies needed for your new position. By the end of the first year of employment, approximately 90% of our shop floor personnel are cross-trained in more than one section of their production area. This enhances the skill level of our employees and increases the knowledge base of our workforce. Keeping with our commitment to utilizing today's most advanced technologies, we partner with Tooling University for online education that's self-paced, interactive, and available any time of the day or night. Over 185 classes at a variety of skill levels are offered. We also work closely with vocational and technical schools in our area. This lets tomorrow's workforce understand the type of technical occupations that are available and allows us opportunity to support career and technical learning within our communities. Partnering with our communities through programs such as cooperative education are a real win-win situation for our company and the community in which we all live and do business. Over 40 years ago, Miller Welding and Machine Company was a 3-person business in a 2,400 square foot garage. David R. Miller worked in the shop with his brother Lawrence, and his wife Sarah did all of the bookkeeping. David started the business in 1963 with a vision to consistently accommodate his customers' needs. At first, Miller catered to the reconditioning needs of the mining and lumbering industries in western Pennsylvania. The next year, much of the attention shifted to servicing the needs of the steel industries located in the Pittsburgh area. The steel industry became the core of the company's operations and secured its growth and development for decades to come. Miller Welding and Machine Company expanded its reach in the early 1980s when it became integrated in the manufacturing industry. By providing customized parts for industries such as construction, plastics, food, material handling, among others, we experienced consistent growth for over 20 years.
At the time I came back from college, we employed at that point about 30 people, so over the course of the years that I've been back, we've grown significantly.
Today, Miller Welding and Machine Company has evolved into an integrated single-source company involved in a vast assortment of industrial applications throughout the United States. We currently employ over 400 people. Over the years, there have been many changes at Miller Welding and Machine, but the 3 generations of family members currently leading the company continue to share the founder's passion for customer service and remain true to our commitment to our communities and the families that we work with every day. The Miller Mission. Provide our customers with exceptional services and value by fabricating and machining parts to their specifications in an efficient and timely manner. Produce high-quality parts by continually improving the processes we use. Provide our employees a safe and satisfying work environment. Be a profitable and progressive company by investing in new technology. Building long-term relationships with our customers, vendors, employees, and community by conducting business in a professional and ethical manner. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and for your consideration of a career at Miller Welding and Machine Company. We look forward to reviewing your application and to hopefully working with you to build a bright future together.